Hey, welcome back guys. Hot on the wheels of 10T's international launch earlier this week, OnePlus official store on AliExpress has decided to surprise us by listing another new device. It's called OnePlus Nord N20 SE and it shouldn't be confused with the Nord N20 5G as it has nothing in common with that model save for the charging speed. The Nord N20 SE will become available on August 8, that's next Monday. The company's AliExpress store boosted it's running the phone's world premiere, and we agree since it hasn't popped up anywhere else. Pricing starts at $178 for the blue version and goes up to $184 if you want it in black. If you order until August 12th, you get a 10% off coupon. So what exactly do you get for under $200? The OnePlus Nord N20 SE comes with a 6.56-inch 720 by 1660 Hz LCD screen, the MediaTek Helio G35 chip at the helm, 4 GB of RAM, 64 gigs of expandable storage, 50 megapixel main rear camera with a 2 megapixel depth sensor alongside an 8 megapixel selfie snapper and a 5000 mAh battery with 33 watt fast charging support. There is no headphone jack or NFC, but there's a side-mounted fingerprint sensor embedded in the power button and dual SIM support. It runs Android 12 with Oxygen OS 12.1 on top. That's it for now. See you in the next one.